For whatever strange reason, this long cable helped me get channel 33 better. Just using this one because that's what I got on hand. I don't need one this long. So that's kind of weird. I wonder why I got that channel better from this long cable. Anyway, later I'm going to continue the cable management issue. I'm going to use a shorter cable because I don't need this. Then we'll check out channel 33 to see if it works just as well as it did. So I'll be back later. Oh, and here's where the switch is for now. It's just temporary. It's not going to be there. Well, it might be here. It's just going to look better later. The 25 footer has been removed. And we have this. Power inserter. It is an amplified antenna after all. And I really didn't need it. But I'm going to put it back in line with the cable again anyway. Look at this thing. Looks like it's from the 80s or something. The way it's built. Anyway, I'm going to use a cable whose connector is kind of crappy. It's kind of gummed up. So I'm going to use that, and that'll be our cable. And then I'll have to put it in place with one of these. We have bedroom lighting here. White lighting sucks. Oh well. Here's a Sony Trinitron that was stored over here with a piece of canvas over it to keep the dust off. Got this for $30, but had a lot of problems with bad solder joints, wooden degalls, and stuff like that. Has audio issues off and on. We should go to Arlington and go pick this thing up. Install it in the backyard. Well, Scrapper's going to get to it in this case. That's fine, because no one wants this thing. It's been there a long time, it looks like. Needs to haul themselves from the backyard. Needs to go ASAP. You can tell they're serious because it's free. Here's the cable in question in good lighting. The nut right there is kind of gummed up. So I'm going to put that over there in the corner for use with the antenna, because I'm not going to have to remove it again. This was in the other room. It's probably connected to that Magnavox TV my grandparents used to have in there. It looks like this, but this one's getting covered up from the dust. Need to recap the power supply. Hopefully that'll get rid of the jail bars. So we're going to put this cable into place. Here's more or less where the cable is going to be. Going right there. The one going to the DTV converter box is right there. Chip taken out of the speaker. That's not good. Oh well. So I'm going to take a break, and after the guys who are coming to work on the central air leave, I will start hammering and find the power cable to this, even though I don't really need it. Can we focus? Power pass. Actually got this to use with my home analog TV transmitter, but for DTV it's pretty good. Whoops. Let's see what's on. Love that sound. Probably set to video mode. Excuse me. Video. Let's get farther away and zoom in real time. No edits. Not that anyone's ever complained about my edits, but I like to do less edits these days. Let's turn the light off. It's kind of bouncy, but that's how OSDs are. Here we go. Aperture grill. Here's our janky antenna. This thing hasn't seen channel 10 in a long time. Certainly hasn't seen mine. Is there a volume problem here? No. Just shut the hell up. Kind of slow. What's wrong with the, Oh, now we have no sound at all. That's nice. Let's turn that down so we don't get a jump scare next time we turn the TV on. Hey, there we go.
Thank you so much for being here tonight. On keyboards, that's Rick Jackson.
Rick Jackson.
Bass, Mike Nelson. On drums, Phelps, Billy Kilson. Play a lot of different kinds of music for you tonight. I hope you like the grooves. Here's an old. Way back in the early 60s.
Cold Duck Time. Larry Carlton and the guys he introduced. This guy's a good tuner. Good picture, besides all the noise you can see. It's a good tuner. Looks silky smooth. Anyway, let's not get in trouble for this. Leader resistor. Incandescent lighting. So, we'll be back later.
See? Careful what you wish for, mister. It's your fault.
Bye.